Did you know two blind men once chased Jesus through the streets, refusing to be silenced? They had lived in darkness for years. Every day was the same, sitting by the roadside, begging for coins, hearing life pass them by. Then they heard his name whispered in the crowds, Jesus, the healer. "Have mercy on us, Son of David," they cried, stumbling after him through Capernaum's dusty streets. "Be quiet," the crowd hissed, but they shouted louder. Even when Jesus seemed to ignore them, they followed him right into a house. Their desperation was stronger than their shame. Finally, Jesus turned to face them. "Do you believe I can heal you?" "Yes, Lord," they whispered. Jesus reached out and gently touched their eyes with his own hands. Light exploded into their world, colors they had never seen, faces, the sky, everything. "Tell no one," Jesus warned. But how could they stay silent? They ran through every street, telling everyone what he had done. Some miracles are just too powerful to keep secret.